Yeah. So you walk too fast because I have to look at the camera and watch my feet. Hey Cody, Mommy's shaking the camera in her hand. Ouch, 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 ouch. I knew I would hurt myself. But Cody was life jacket. Hey Cody? Yeah, you're beautiful.
Take your boots off, Luke. That must come out on their own.
Yeah. And Cody's gonna go in the water before the storm again? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, let's go. Oh, Cody's going to go swimming, you think? Where's the fish? Where's the fish? Where's the fish?
Good boy. Good boy.
It feels a little more refreshing, the water too.
Yeah.
Cody's swimming.
Cody's swimming. Mommy's taking a picture. A movie from Cody. A movie Cody swimming. Hey? What are you looking for?
Come over here.
What are you looking for?
He's looking for fish. Come on, fish is up here. Fish is up here. Come on, come on, come on. It's a fish. It's a fish.
Good boy.
Oh, keeping his tail out of the water now.
Yeah, it's funny. Something not right.
Yeah.
Why is he doing that? Is he hurting?
Maybe he's rubbing it. Oh, the sunset. Come on, Cody.
Is it because it's...
I see a fish here. Look. I see a fish.
Is it still red?
That is mine.
That's weird. Cody, put your tail, the tail should go in the water. The tail should go in the water, Cody. What does that mean?
It's the first day you had the tail in the water.
Yeah, this is new.